So I'm just going to run through a quick example of how to create a project status report. I've got this project here, the first one listed. But before I do that, I'm just going to quickly log some time against the first task in that project, which is the analysis task. So I've logged my time there. I'll go back to the project list and into the project. And you can see here that the analysis task has an estimate of 80 hours, and I've now logged 96 hours against that task. And as you can see, it's gone over time. So I'm going to create my project status report, but before I do that, I'm going to set the RAG status here to amber. And I've also set it to amber because, as you can see, I've got 3 open issues and also 3 open risks for this project. So I create my project status report by going to the project report button, and here I can see just some further details that I can enter in before I produce the report. You also got a box here which shows the commentary that goes through to the report. Here you can also see the current grade, which is amber, which I've just set it to, and the previous RAG grade, which is green, which shows the grade, the latest grade for the previous month. So here I'm going to enter some commentary. And continue to the report. So this is my project status report. As you can see, I've got the project name up the top here. This report's for July. You can see the current RAG status and the status for the previous period, the previous month. You can see there's a downward trend in the status. I've got my consistent header up the top here, which is a customizable logo. I've got my brief project description, which is based on the project name, and a detailed project description, which the user inputs. I've got some other basic project information here, such as the project manager or the project start date. These are my key milestones. So here you can see the analysis task and the fact that I've logged 96 hours against that task. It's still open. I'm still working on that task. These are some project financials in thousands. So you've got the actual here, which is the resource cost multiplied out by the amount of hours that have been logged. And here you've got planned and forecast financials for the project. You've got the commentary here, which is the commentary I entered before I produced the report. And down the bottom you can see the top 3 issues and top 3 risks. Issues are ranked by resolution date in ascending order, and then you've got the top 3 risks, which are in descending order by risk rating. I can take this to PDF through using this export button. So you can see here it's exported to a nicely formatted PDF file. It retains the headers up the top with the project name and also retains page numbers down the bottom. So I can send this out for distribution. Or I may want to manipulate the report before I send it, in which case I can export to Word or Excel. In this case, because it's quite a tabular format, I'm going to take it to Excel. So again, this report has retained the header up the top here as a frozen pane, and if I scroll down, I may want to, for example, get rid of my project financials and perhaps add some comments on this particular analysis task here and just type those in before I distribute.